Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I want to store the new listing and I have opened the listing controller. Here we have the store method, and in the previous video I have made this add the feature image string, and for image 1 the image string, also the same thing for the image 2 and image 3, and in the slug I add the slug string, and in the user ID I have added the 1, and I've created with the request all. Now I want to add the real data from the request, and the user ID I'm going to add the authenticated user ID. Okay, here we are now in the listing controller. I have added the feature image to be image and nullable. The same thing for image 1, image 2 and image 3. Okay, I'm going to remove this one, and here I'm going to say the feature image is going to be the request file featured image store in the public and listings folder. Copy and do the same thing for the others. Just change this to be image 1, this one to be image 2, and the last to be image 3. Okay, in the request I'm going to do to be required. Okay, and close this one. I'm going to do the user ID here now, so the request, or no, I'm going to do another thing here. I'm going to add the array, and here I'm going to say the user ID is going to be the auth user ID, category ID is going to be the request category ID, and copy and paste for the subcategory ID, and this one for the child category ID. Okay, now title, add the title and the request title. Also the slug is going to be str slug, and the request title, and we need to import the str here. Okay, illuminate support str. Description is going to be the request description. Okay, what we have, I'm going to open the structure here. We have the feature image and so on. Category, yeah. Title, slug, description, price, price nego table, condition, location. Okay, so here add the price, and it's going to be the request price, price nego table, and it's going to be the request price nego table. Okay, location is going to be the request location, and condition is going to be the request condition. Okay, country, state and city ID, phone number, and is published. I'm going to say phone number, the request phone number, and is published is going to be the request is published. And now I'm going to add the country ID, the request country ID, copy and paste this one, and here add the city ID and state ID. And I think we are done now. If I save, oh yeah, no, we are not done. We need to add the images. So here add the featured image, which is going to be the feature image we add here. So here we have the path of this file. I'm going to copy and paste this one and change this with the image 1, image 3, and the last one, this is the image 3, this one is the image 2, image 2. Hit save and come here, refresh, and we need to try now. Add categories. Okay. Choose the country, state and city. Choose a file. I'm going to choose another file here. This one. Choose new one. Image 2 and image 3. Okay, hit save and call to member function in the request file featured image. Okay, this one is because we need to say featured image here, not feature image. Hit save here and refresh. Okay, featured image. Maybe we need to go back and refresh here. Fake filler. we need to choose electronics. Also we need to choose and the files here, quick, another one, open, another one, another one. Okay, hit save, and the price negotiable doesn't have the, why is that? Price okay, negotiable, and the same thing here. Refresh, continue, and we are redirected back to the dashboard. And if I go here, data, refresh, and here we have the user ID, which is 7, the feature image path, image 1, image 2, image 3, category, subcategory ID, child, title, slug, description, price, and so on. This is how we can store data. So I'm going to create a new one now. Okay, fake filler again, and here I'm going to say laptop because we have child category. I'm going to say PC enabled. Okay, USA, and again London. We need to fix this one because if I have the United Kingdom, we need to have another one for the United Kingdom, and choose here between. Okay, but in the behind the scenes I'm going to fix that. Open this, again another one, open. Okay, and the last one here, and hit save. We redirected back, go to the table plus, refresh. We have now the user ID, which is 7 again. We have a feature image and image 1, image 2, image 3, okay, title, and so on. Hope you enjoy, friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.